not an artist. So I was trained, and I really thought that, okay, we are not artists. Expression is the evil in design, so we need to look only for function. And I was like very rationalist when I began working. I think that it was also because I wasn't very good technically, so I hide behind rationality, all my flawless technique, no? You know what I mean? So function, I think it's still the driving force of our profession, while beauty or expression is considered inefficient, superficial, excessive, and it's the eternal battle between form against content, beauty against function, that I never ever understood, no? As if one was necessarily suppressing the other. I think we can have both, no? And it's a quote of Frank Lloyd Wright, no? That said that that has been misunderstood by designers, no? That form and function should be one, no? And for me, the way that I work, for me, they are two sides of the same coin, no? I think that in graphic design, form or expression is like the bait, no? Like if you're fishing, is the bait to catch the attention, no? So, for example, if a poster doesn't catch the attention, if it doesn't seduce, if it doesn't excite, if it doesn't make you stop, doesn't matter how big the logo is, doesn't matter how clear the information is, you won't remember it. We all know that.